and welcome to today's tutorial. Are you looking for a powerful way to prioritize issues in your projects? Then stick around because we're diving into the Pareto chart, an amazing tool that helps you visualize and tackle the most significant factors in any dataset. Using both bar and line graphs, the Pareto chart applies the 80-20 rule, showing that 80% of problems come from just 20% of causes. In project management, it's widely used in quality control, risk management, and process improvement to focus on the areas that matter most. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a Pareto chart in Excel to start making smarter and data-driven decisions. As you can see in here, we have a number of causes which resulted in percentage of impacts, either positive or negative, to a project. So the column chart in here represent the number or frequency of each cause happening throughout the project's life cycle, while this line chart in here illustrates the cumulative impact of these causes on the project's outcomes. So let's get to Excel and let me show you how to create Pareto charts in Microsoft Excel and use it for your day-to-day project management problem solving. So as you can see in here, we have the cause names, the frequency of occurrence. So basically it shows that how many times each of these causes occurred throughout the project's life cycle. So as you can see, cause A has happened 26 times, and then we have cause E, which is 17 times, and so on. When you have a list of causes and their frequency of occurrence and want to create a Pareto chart out of it, make sure to sort them in descending order. So this means that the cause with highest frequency of occurrence should be at the top, and the cause with lowest frequency of occurrence should be at the bottom. Next column that we have in here is the percentage. So this is basically the percentage of this number on the total of the numbers that we have in here. And this will be calculated for each of them separately. And last but not least, we have the cumulative percentage, where the percentages are added to each other. In order to calculate the percentage, I'll write down equal sign, and then I'll click this cell and divide it by sum of open parentheses. This should be the summation of these cells. In order to make sure that this is absolute and not moving downwards, what I will do is I'll press F4 key in here and then close parentheses and press enter. Then let's apply it to the rest of the cells as well. Once we have this, the last step would be to have the cumulative percentage. For that purpose, we'll write down sum, open parenthesis, we'll select this cell. Again, we'll select the same cell. So basically the cumulative percentage at this stage will be only this cell, while if we go down to the second cell, so the cumulative will be addition of these two, and so on. So in order to make sure that the first cell is not moving, we'll put dollar signs in front of the column and the row and press enter, and then I'll drag it up to the last cell in here. So in here, if you click this one, as you can see, it is the summation of these two, and if you click this one, it is the summation of all of these. So once all of this is done, we'll select these cells and then hold the Control key and select these cells. We will not use the percentage in here. Go to insert, and in here we'll pick a combo chart. So as you can see, the causes are shown with the columns here, while the line shows the cumulative percentage. Since this is a percentage, that's why it's shown down below the number 1 in here. In order for this to be more visible, we'll move it to the right axis in here. So for that purpose, I'll click the line in here, right click, and then go to Format Data Series, and we will plot this on the secondary axis. So as you can see, now the line is plotted on this axis and is clearly visible. So as you can see in here, 3 or 4 of these causes has resulted in 80% of the impact. So if we focus on these 3 or 4 and fix them, 80% of the problems in the project will be fixed. You can do the further formatting of the chart as I have done for other charts and videos available in the Microsoft Excel playlist of this YouTube channel. You can go and watch them and learn how to format charts in Microsoft Excel. I hope you have found the content of this video helpful. If you did so, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and following us on Instagram or LinkedIn. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.